Hey people, Gary here from MyDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using only one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Day 59 or 58, whichever one. Anyway, first off, the reason why I'm only using one account is because I want to try to emulate people who are just starting. Maybe they only get one account, My Lead Gen Secrets account. Kind of want to show the process of what you get when you first start. And as you can see, we almost at the 2-month period, and we made quite the amount of commissions here, 1,600. Some of that is before I started this, but you know, before I started this thing and figured out that this works. But that is a lot for doing just this morning, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. All the links in the description below. Now let's get started. Alright, so first I want to talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 business. One, it's a funnel builder. It's a funnel builder. It's a very strong funnel builder. And it's very elaborate, lucrative, and simple for only $25. Now you get other stuff when you pay the $25 because it's all-in-one business, but for the most part, it's a really solid funnel builder. Now, if you have done any kind of marketing online, you need some sort of funnel builder. Anybody can tell you that. All right. Any successful marketer can tell you need some kind of funnel builder to get along, to get by. So, what I propose is when you look at other funnel builders and their price points, I think the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels, and it's $97 per month, and there's a ton of limitations on it. A ton of limitations. Only a certain amount of funnels, only a certain amount of people can see your funnel, which is a big one for me that kind of knocked me down, and just a ton of limitations like that, so to speak. And it was crazy to me because if a certain amount of people see your funnel, they'll shut it down. They'll shut down the page. Maybe the number don't went up, but it happened to me one time. I remember it. That's why I speak on it all the time. But anyway, that's the reason why I'm like $25, $97. You know, there's a big difference. No limitations, some limitations. And if you didn't want limitations in ClickFunnels, you have to pay $300 or something like that. It's crazy, $300 a month. Anyway, guys, that's one reason. But the second reason, number two, now this is the reason I believe you guys are watching, and this is the reason I believe most people are interested in the $25 all-in-one digital business. And that is because it's amazing, absolutely immaculate affiliate program. This affiliate program is 80% recurring commissions, which is insanity. That's crazy. All right, guys, anybody can tell you they've never heard of such a thing. 80% recurring commissions is insane. Okay, guys, one person in the system, and you you buy the system yourself, you already almost made your money back with just one person in the system. You get two people in the system, you are making money from that point on. And guys, I got 33 orders here. I'm just saying, that's crazy. All right, guys, those are the two reasons why I like promoting it. Okay, so let's get to it here and see our results. It looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but let's make sure here. As you can see, we did not get a sale yesterday. That's all right, guys. That's something you'll have to face every once in a while when it comes to marketing and using it's just something that happens. You have to just deal with. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go to the mailing system here. Oh, by the way, before I finish up, make sure when somebody show their results that they refresh the page, because it's very easy to change all these numbers. Okay, that's all I want to cross. Alright, so we'll go here on the My Lead Gen Secrets. So go to mailing system here. Select all. Blah blah blah. So let's go for another email here. This is the one I got last, right? Let's just go with this one. Alright guys, so you can pause at any moment and copy these emails if you wish. No problem, I'll show the whole email. That's all there is to it. Very short email, very easy to do. Right guys? So anyway, that's all there is to that. Review. Make sure and check if your link works. Guys. Also, let me go ahead and clarify. When you see get started day build your income, that's how you change your links, guys. You could just do this, or you can click on this button here. I just want to make sure I show that because I had it. Somebody asked me that, and you get your link. You get your link, the link that I'm using right here. All in one $25 business. Make sure I show that. So like I was about to say, somebody said that they didn't know exactly where the link was, what link to use and stuff like that. They didn't know where it was at and how to do it. So I want to make sure I show that. That's why I started showing that. I didn't mean to assume that people knew how to do that, and that's my fault. I'm sorry. All right, so we're gonna hit preview. Make sure the link works. It absolutely does. Okay. So make sure you hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around time people check emails, and then you hit send email, and you are done, guys. That's insane, right? That just that easy. 5 minutes every day, and you make money. All right, guys. All the links in the description below. If you're interested in following along and starting this business with me, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.